Introduction. Welcome back to King Bike. Today, we're taking a look at the legendary Hero Splendor Plus, one of the most trusted and best-selling commuter motorcycles in South Asia. Design and styling. The Hero Splendor Plus features a simple yet practical design. Its sleek fuel tank, stylish graphics, and comfortable seating make it a great choice for daily commuting. The bike is designed to be lightweight and easy to handle in city traffic. Engine and performance. Powering the Splendor Plus is a reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine. It delivers smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and low maintenance costs. The engine is ideal for everyday rides and offers a comfortable riding experience. Mileage and comfort. One of the biggest strengths of the Hero Splendor Plus is its impressive fuel economy. The bike is known for delivering excellent mileage, making it a budget-friendly option for students, workers, and daily commuters. Its comfortable suspension setup also ensures a smooth ride on rough roads. Features and safety. The motorcycle comes with features like i3S technology for better fuel savings, a side-stand engine cutoff, and an easy-to-read instrument cluster. These features enhance convenience and safety during daily rides. Conclusion. The Hero Splendor Plus continues to be a top choice for riders looking for reliability, affordability, and excellent fuel efficiency. If you want a dependable commuter bike, the Hero Splendor Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching King Bike. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bike reviews and updates.